TruePath funnels measure the effectiveness of your online processes, such as checkout, registration, applications, and calls to action on marketing landing pages. Use TruePath funnels to identify visitor behavior along defined paths on your website. At the end of this module, you will understand the fundamentals of a TruePath funnel report, create, edit, and view a TruePath funnel. TruePath reports contain a series of steps that you define as a preferred path for site visitor conversion. TruePath funnels can also be used to examine the completion rate of defined process steps. As you can see, this report consists of 5 steps from shopping cart to order confirmation. With this information, you can identify pages where visitors abandon the path and then target the pages for improvement. TruePath reporting uses same session logic. It does not track site processes for visitors who save their progress and return in a later session to complete the path. Visitor sessions during the tracking time period either complete the path, abandon the path at a particular step, or never enter the path. The output results show the number of sessions that continue to the next step, the percentage of sessions that abandon the path, and the percentage of sessions that continue to the next step. You can compare funnels for different time periods to see whether changes made to your website led to improvements in path results. You can also apply a report segment to a TruePath funnel to analyze the behavior of specific visitor segments. This will enable you to compare the segment behavior to the overall visitor traffic for the path. Assume that you are responsible for driving more email signups on your website. You build a TruePath funnel for the email signup process to analyze visitor behavior as they navigate through this path. The TruePath funnel provides the following results. Based on these results, consider the next appropriate action. Only 2.06% of sessions from the home page completed the email signup process. Because completion from the home page is low, consider making the email signup link that is featured on the home page more prominent. We can also see that the email signup form page has a high number of sessions that depart the path. Check to make sure that the instructions for email signup are clear and that there are not too many form fields that require data entry. Now that you understand how TruePath funnel reports can help you identify problems with your online processes, let's take a closer look at creating one. To begin, use the configuration panel to build out your report. First, select the report type drop-down and choose TruePath. Next, select the date range. After you've selected your dates, optionally modify your segments. For this example, we'll be using all visitors. Now you're ready to click the link to add steps. In the pop-up, the TruePath button will be selected. However, you're able to toggle between TruePath and Clickstream reports. The search modal will display a listing of all pages for that client ID. You can select from any of the pages. After a page is selected, it becomes a step. As you begin selecting steps, you'll notice that the pages you select are displayed in order in the right-hand pane. Each step offers the option to choose whether that particular page ID is a required step or an optional one. You can also click on the step header to change the text, allowing you to customize your step name. When a page is selected, the page ID displays in the header and in the details of the step. In Details, it will display Page ID is shopping cart, and Is will be a drop-down with options instead of text. After you've made your selections, click the Add Steps button. In the next step, you'll select your metrics. After your choices have been made, click on the Add Metrics button. You're now ready to generate the report. In the last step, you'll name the report, select your workspace or optionally create a new workspace to save the report in, enter the email addresses you wish to send the report to, and select a file type. Finally, click the Save button. You will now see the layout of report steps as it is processing. You are now able to understand the fundamentals of a TruePath funnel report and create a TruePath funnel report. View the Creating a Clickstream report to illustrate where visitors actually went on your site.